gentlemen, receiving with an applause. He continues to make his way forward. Presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party 2023, Bridge Builder. Thank you for honoring us with your presence, sir.
Your Excellency, Governor Mrs. Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, before I make my few remarks, I want to amend a little bit of amendment and state weaponization of poverty. Why I say so? When I was growing up in the north, the most prosperous city or state was Kano State. The most prosperous. And incidentally, as soon as I finished my secondary school, my first location was Kano State. I never saw people sleeping outside. Then there were no villages of fireworks. I never saw people sleeping outside or outside the shops in Kano State. Recently, people were all over state sleeping under the bridge on the streets who are driven out by poverty and insecurity. There is a state agency in Kano responsible for providing succor to such people. And they started doing their work and enlightening people and removing people from under the bridges and outside on the streets. What happened? They were called to Abuja and they were told to stop it. That is why I said I wanted to amend the topic of today to add state weaponization of poverty. This particular government is weaponizing poverty. You may call me a conspirator, you may call me anything, and that is why we are in this alliance, to make sure we don't allow them to continue weaponizing policy. Of course, one of our star conspirators is Governor Rotimi Amechi. Therefore, we are here to wish you many happy returns of the day, and we will continue to conspire with you to make sure we minimize poverty and we don't use state machinery to weaponize poverty. I thank you very much. God bless you all.